Yeah. Oh, there you go. Now, oh, he just realized he's hooked. He's like, oh, I'm hooked? Let me get the hell out of here. Sorry, bro. You ain't getting the hell out of nowhere. Let's get a look at you. Hey folks, John with A&J Outdoors, and this morning I'm on Calaveras Lake. My primary goal was to get out here, and you've seen I've been working, if you've been paying attention to my videos and all that, I've been working on the steering for the boat. And so today's primary mission was to just get out here and test the steering, and so far it looks like it's fixed. It looks like we're good to go. But while I'm out here, I figure I might as well try to fish for a few hours. So I've got some intel for a location that doesn't seem very secret, since there's boats here, the guide right there, that this was the spot, right, for redfish. So I'm fishing shrimp on my modified Sante Cooper rigs, and maybe later I'll take a look at that and show it to you, but it's in a lot of my different videos. It's just a good all-around go-to rig. So do me a favor, while you're here, click that subscribe button down there, okay? It'll let you know every time I upload another video. It doesn't cost nothing. There's a little bell. If you click that, that will give you the notifications. And at the end of this video, if you liked what you watched, give it that good old thumbs up if you would. That helps the YouTube analytics, helps me grow this channel, which is my goal. So let's take a look at what we got set up. We got front rod, middle rod, and back rod. All right, so I got 3 out. I brought 4. I could set up a 4th one if I need to, but for right now, since I'm by myself, I figure I'll try. See the hook up, but we got them. Got something. Does not feel big. Doesn't even feel like it. Yeah, he's still on there. Could be a little cat or a rat red, one or the other. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Now, oh, he just realized he's hooked. He's like, oh, I'm hooked? Let me get the hell out of here. Sorry, bro. You ain't getting the hell out of nowhere. Let's get a look at you. Oh yeah, nice little red. All right. There's no skunk on the boat, ladies and gentlemen. No skunk on the boat. In you come. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Let's see how big he is real quick, just for funs. Alright, dude, calm down. You're not legal, you mother humper. 19 all day. Let's get a quick picture and throw you back. Get you back in the water, brother. Let's get you back in the water. Circle hook right in the corner. All right. Oh, there you go. There you go, beautiful. Come here. Ah. There he goes. All right. No skunk on the boat. That felt really good. I was just thinking I'm the worst freshwater redfish fisherman in the planet. And he's 19, so he wasn't legal anyways. He has to be 20 here, but still pretty happy. I wasn't keeping none anyways. Fish number 2. See, I didn't ride over his line. I went behind his boat so that I didn't go over what he had lines in. He just jumped right over the top of the baits. That's kind of a rude move there. There we go. Look at there. He's gonna be short, but man, what a fatty, huh? Got a belly on him. All right, you guys missed the catch. Got it on you though. Let's toss this guy back. All right, all right, all right. Short and fat. Back you go, brother. We're getting bit. We're getting bit. See the nibbling? They're nibbling. They ain't biting yet. So that could be a small catfish or something trying to steal that bait off of there. But I want it to load up. Okay, she's starting to load. Got her. Got her. Got her that time. Thought she's going to nibble off my bait, but she didn't. That's the one I cast right at them since they moved on top of me. This one's heavy, but it's not fighting, so I'm not sure what we got here. We got a turtle. Oh, damn. Let's see if we can get this turtle off of here without causing any major catastrophes. What are you doing, bro? You're not who I wanted to catch. Nobody wants to catch you. That is a huge... Oh, he's probably not a red-eared slider, but boy, he's hooked good. You're gonna have to open your mouth to get off of here, buddy. Come on, let go. Let go of the hook. You don't want that hook in your mouth, bro. There. Well, there's another successful catch and release. Not what we were fishing for. Hey, we're off the water already. It's like, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning. So we were out there for a couple, 2-3 hours maybe. Altogether, for me, it's a successful trip because primary was to check out that steering with that new cylinder installed. Drove like a beast, not a problem at all. Boat's running great now. And then I wanted to wet a line and see if I could get a couple redfish, and I got a couple redfish. They were just under keeper size, of course, but good looking fish. Had fun fishing for them. I got that freaking turtle. I haven't caught a turtle in a long time. Gotta thank Mello, right? He's been on my vlog with me before and on the Outdoors Crew live stream. He's a guide here, and he's quick to give me insight, which I really appreciate. He helped me out a lot today. So do me a favor, again, hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost anything. Hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. It does, again, not cost anything. And give it a thumbs up, right? I appreciate it. And if you want, if you got buddies that like fishing or want to fish Calaveras and look at where I'm fishing at, share the link to this video with them. All right, folks, until the next one, peace out.